Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a password on your Windows 11 computer if you haven't already done so. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you need to do is open up the search magnifying glass, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the accounts tile on the left side, and then where it says sign in options on the right, go ahead and left click on it. Select password, sign in with your account's password, and then select add. At this point, go ahead and insert your new password and then a password hint. Select next and then finish, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.